Let me show you how to make this Jamaican style peanut punch. I'm gonna start by adding soaked raw peanut, raw oats, Dragon Stout. If you don't have Dragon Stout, you can use Guinness. Supligen, you can use any vanilla meal supplement. Any vanilla supplement, okay? Alright. Gonna use some white rum, just a little bit. Just a little bit for bring up the flavor. Then we're gonna add some vanilla extract, salt, nutmeg, sweetened condensed milk. You don't have to add this if you don't want to. Okay? Or you don't have to add this any at all if you don't want any sweetener to it, okay? It's a choice, and the choice is mine. I want condensed milk into mine, okay? Smelling so good. Can't wait for try some, not true? Let's go serve this up. One for you and one for me. Tell one for stop. Okay, that's good? All right. Are you ready to try it? I'm ready to try mine. Let's try it together. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Oh, remember when you were a kid and they used to give you a little bit of this? I know you're grown up now. You can make this and drink all of it if you want. You remember when you were a kid and they used to just give you a little bit in a glass? And now you're big enough, now you can make your own and drink off the whole blender. Tastes so good. Tastes good, don't you? It's really good. Like, this is something where I gotta drink every day. But now and again, when you feel for something really nice, really sweet, you just go ahead and whip this up in your blender and look at this. You're enjoying your little Sunday. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. The full recipe will be uploaded on my blog if you're looking for the recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Happy Sunday. Bye, guys.